indices. So that means when we take x to the power of 5, which is multiplied with x to the power of 3. Okay. Here, first thing we have to concern is the base. If the base are same, our work is very easy. Okay. If the base are same, while multiplication we have to add up the indices. Okay. If the base are same while multiplication, we have to add up our powers. So that will result to x to the power of 8. Okay, x to the power of 8. Let's do one more question. X to the power of 10 multiplied with x to the power of 4 and x to the power of 2. Here also you can see all the bases are same. Okay, while multiplication relationship, we can add up the powers. Okay, add up the powers. So here x to the power of 10, here only x indicators indicated. Only here x
Yes.
singular form. That means x to the power of 1. So we have to find this power first. Okay, when you look at this one without any powers, we can add them, but here is an x particle. No, the base is x. So x means this is a singular one, x to the power of 1. Okay, only one x located here. Okay, 10 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2. While multiplication relationship, we have to add up our power. That's our only task in this case. So that will result to x to the power of 17 in this case. Okay, 17. And another important thing here you have to know, that is when we deal with x to the power of 8 multiplied with x to the power of negative 3. Negative 3. Okay, in this instance, this is also same as previous one because the base are same. So resultant base also x. While multiplication, we have to add up our powers. So 8 minus 3. Okay, we have to add up them now. So that will result to x to the power of 5. We have to add these numbers. So 8 minus 3, that will give you positive 5. So finalized value for this given instance is x to the power of 5 in this case. One more question under x to the power of 15 multiplied with x to the power of negative 7. First thing, what do we need to do? We have to check our bases. Okay, bases are same, so resultant base also x. Then, if there is any multiplication mark in between, we have to add up our powers. So, 15, 15 minus 7. Okay, when we add the positive values, we can add them directly. 10 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2, that will give you 17 here. But here there is a negative mark. No? We have to consider about that one also. So, 15 minus 7. Here we are not subtracting, okay? Just we are getting sum. We are getting sum of the powers. Okay, sum of the powers means sum is 15 minus 7. That will give you x to the power as 8. Okay, x to the power as 8. This is not the proper way to indicate it as addition of the powers. Okay, I'll repeat once more what we did here. By multiplication of same bases, we have to get the sum of our powers. Get our sum of powers. When you look at your second instance, all the bases are same. So resultant base also x. We have to find the sum of these powers. So 10 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2, that will give you x to the power as 17. Then when you look at this one, this has a negative power. Okay, that's not a problem. So the base are same, no? So the resultant base also exactly is. Then you have to get the sum of these two. That means 8 minus 3. Okay, we are not exactly subtracting. We are getting the sum. Okay, sum. That means 8 minus 3. That will give you power as 5. Similarly, in this case also base is x, and the sum of 15 minus 7, that will give you 8. That's the thing what we did. Okay, for the first one, it's easy. Okay, we can multiply the base, the bases are same. So we can add up all the powers. Sum of all the powers means 5 plus 4 plus 3. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3, that will give you the index as 12 here. And for the next one also here, the power Index was not indicated here. So we have to put it as 1. Okay, we have to put it as 1. So r to the power 6 plus 1 plus 2. That is r to the power of 9. Then for the next one, k, 6. Okay, we have to get sum of these two powers. 16 minus 8, that is k to the power of 8. For the next one, m, 23 minus 17, that is sum of the index. Okay, sum of indices and powers. So far, some similar words. So m is e. M to the power of 6 is our resultant value. For the final one, here we have to do two arithmetic operations. That means 4 plus 6 minus 9. So 4 plus 6 it's 10. 10 minus 9, that means that is L to the power of 1. L to the power of 1. Instead of writing L to the power of 1, you can write it as L. Okay, L. Then for the next one, E to the power of 9 minus 1, then plus 2. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. E to the power of 10 should be your answer in this.